three of us, Andy here and myself, will just say a few words and then open it up to some questions by David. We just want to talk to you briefly today about some of the local plans for what we're doing between the three companies, what we see the benefits are for the industry, what are the benefits for presenting together at Printex, and a little bit about what some of the products are that the individual companies are presenting. So as far as one of the local plans for our arrangement together, we're looking to develop the market segments that we all work in to give the best possible customer experience in dealing with one, two or all of the companies together. We also want to help people make the most of their existing investments by fully utilising the technology they've already purchased and bring them better together between the three organisations. We also aim to extend our reach across the various marketplaces. The three companies together have a much larger representation than any one of us can achieve individually. As far as what do we see for the benefits for the industry, obviously it's an industry that is changing a lot at the moment. Everything is moving from product-based marketing through to customer needs-based marketing. We need to make sure that we have a consistency of message across what we're doing and that we provide the most cost-effective way of serving the market possible. Between the three companies as well, we have a much larger base of knowledge across various segments of the market than any one of us can do on our own. Now, for the benefits of presenting together at Printex, we've represented ourselves through the three elements of print. And the three elements of print is really about taking the whole experience from input through to output, crossing over between offset, digital, and workflow-based solutions. We also want to leverage all that expertise that the three companies bring together. Briefly to touch on what products are Kodak showing at the show the next few days. We have our new Next Press on display over there. The new feature on that is the long sheet feeder, enabling us to do a much longer print than ever possible before. We're also showing a new technology on our toners, which is the high definition toners, a much clearer image than possible before. We're showing our FlexLWare Next machine. We're pleased to announce that as of this morning we've just sold our first VLF-sized FlexLWare Next machine. Patrick gets his pen out to Kirk's. So that's great news for us. We're also showing our Magnus 400 CTP device, our Trillium plates, our Thermal Direct Generation 2 product with a much stronger image than before, and many solutions in workflow and portal products. That's it from me. I'll hand over to Mr. Bill.
Thank you. I should say right away, before we started this cooperation, partnership, Adrian didn't have any facial hair, neither did I, so it's basically, we're just waiting for Hero to get into the style also, but it could be a while. First, I'd like to say welcome to everybody here. I hope you like our stand, and I should also say thanks to everybody who's worked on the stand here, all the guys who's actually put the stand together. I think it's a great stand from which to present our products, and more importantly also to sell. And based upon what I hear, it's already happening, so it's fantastic. What you'll see, the partnership that we have together here, I see as a partnership that basically allows us to present to the industry the profitable print shop of the future, all on one stand, and all supported by the combined strength of three major suppliers to the industry. On display we've got technology from three suppliers, all of which allows you, a client, to marry up the best combination of new technology, enabling printers to fully service the ever-changing needs of their customers. What you'll see in some areas is also that there's a choice. There'll be a choice for customers, and there'll probably also be questions, Patrick, regarding that. But there is a choice for customers in some areas, and what you'll see is we have some products which actually, with subtle, we call them subtle differences in configurations as well as different investment levels. But given my paycheck comes from Heidelberg, I need to concentrate a little bit on the Heidelberg side. What we have, we've already shown had our first presentation this morning on the amazing Anicolor technology. This is on a Speedmaster 52 press, and what we have over here, we don't have a 5-color postcoder that was planned, but that press is just now being installed in New Zealand, and so you could say that's also sold off the stand almost. That's how normally people do it, isn't it? We actually have a 4-color press on the show here with coding configuration, and the nice thing about this is the Anycolor fits in perfectly with the Konica Minolta product, and that's been proven with a lot of installations. So again, there's a marriage of technology with a offset and then also with digital color. Also making an appearance is the latest Heidelberg Supersetter CTP device with Printex workflow. Unfortunately, this machine we have over here is machine number 3999. It's not machine number 4000 because that was already announced, and that was a VLF CTP device that was just sold recently, came off the factory floor. That was an A1 VLF CTP device. But it only seems like yesterday that John Deller from PageSet in Melbourne ordered Supersetter number 2000, and that happened at Drupa, so that's been very good. If we look at the Magnus together with the Supersetter, the last 12 months has been absolutely perfect, superb for the two companies, in the sense that Kodak together with Heidelberg in combination, we sit with a more than 50% market share. It's 54.23% actually, roughly. Last but not least, we also have a Polar cutter, we also have a style folder, and I believe, Patrick, you picked the Polar as one of your pick up the show, the new one, the Polar 80. Yep. And I must say, if you look at what's been going on lately, if that's an indication of what's happening to the business, we've had 15 Polar cutter sales over the last 3 months. So, and I know my boss is here, so what he will probably do is he'll take the 15 divided by 3, say that's 5 a month, and then he'll time it by 12, and then he'll say he should be selling 60 Polar cutters this year. That ain't gonna happen, but it's going very well. Likewise, I should say, Konica Minolta engines, over the last, April alone, there was 3 engines that went into the northern region. So again, those numbers are also picking up. So I think from an industry point of view, I would say hopefully it's good news, and it's a precursor to the show, and that the show will show equal results. So on that note, I would like to hand over to Hiro, and next time I see you, I think you should have you have to.
Thank you, Andy. I'm Hiro Kaji, Managing Director of Konica Minolta Australia. Thank you very much for visiting our exciting booth. Before talking about our booth, I want to mention about Japan and earthquake. As you know, Japan had an enormous earthquake. As a Japanese company, I want to say thank you very much for your support from Australia, including rescue activities and PM Julia's warm heart visit to the damaged area, and many donations for victims. Actually, I visit Tokyo just 3 days after the earthquake to have a planned meeting with Konica Minolta Japan. Even right after the earthquake, of course there was some problems there, but Tokyo was okay. I could have a meeting as scheduled. I could enjoy dinner with my colleague friends. There are many good restaurants in Tokyo. Some of them impressed Madame Liu. Then leads him to Master Chef in Australia. So, but it is difficult to book this kind of good restaurant. But it's okay at that time. I could enjoy. I don't want to say fortunately, but we don't have any factories or facilities in northern part of Japan. Konica Minolta will support our customer in Australia in the future as we did in the past too. Back to our booth. Both Adrian and Andy mentioned our alliance benefit. I don't repeat it, but simply our purpose is not to sell products. Our purpose is to satisfy our customer. Our purpose is to fulfill requirement of customer. We are aware of that a single customer, a single company cannot cover latest requirement. That's the reason why we have started Alliance. Through the years of activities, we know strengths each other. Surely, we are not competitor, we are partner now. Printex is the first Australian exhibition to have full line of Konica Minolta latest color production machines. Visual Press C6000, Visual Press C7000 production, and Visual Press C8000. C8000 is Konica Minolta's first foray into the mid-weight production printing market. We studied digital printing carefully, then equipped with practical solutions into this C8000. The new BizHub C70HC is unveiled, featuring unique high chroma toner technology, gives you vivid color graphic. BizHub Pro 1200 can be reliable machine for you. BizHub Press C7000 Pro X is designed as the perfect machine for print 4K customer. Please enjoy these latest technologies at our booth. Thank you very much.